Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials right. Install the official Nimi app and sign in with a basic account so you can access non-paywalled features. Once done, go straight to the library and download any free or trial question packs the app offers. Make sure to enable offline mode in settings so cached content stays available. You're doing this to lock in usable material now, not to chase paywalls. That keeps the process fast and reliable while you gather practice items. Next, create your own mock tests inside the app using downloaded packs or import options like CSV or shared question files. Select filters, topic, difficulty, or question count, and set a timer if you want exam pacing. Save these presets so you don't repeat setup. Run cycles of timed practice, then switch to review mode to read explanations and add personal notes. This method gives you the full study loop without subscribing, because you rely on what's locally available and repeatable. To complete your session, export scores or capture key screens to track progress externally. This helps when subscription features hide analytics. Once done, sync any notes to cloud or save CSV exports. If something breaks, clear the app cache first, then reinstall. That often restores downloaded packs. If downloads still fail, contact support with your account ID and error details. They can often grant temporary access or advise on compatible packs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.